Good morning everyone. So I'm back with another video. So today we will discuss about Tailwind CSS. I will make a playlist of Tailwind CSS. I saw on YouTube many Tailwind CSS playlist, so they didn't cover everything. So in this playlist you will get covered the full tutorial of Tailwind CSS, and you will understand. And after finishing the playlist, or after finishing after learning the Tailwind CSS, and then we will build a professional portfolio website. Okay, so yeah, so today our topic is about the Tailwind CSS introduction. Okay, so let's get started. So when you visit Tailwind CSS official website, so you will visit this website. You can see how the Tailwind CSS work. They actually provided so many examples in their official website. What actually they are providing: colors, sizing, then typography, then shadows. Okay, also if we go down here, they also build whatever you want seriously. So simple, playful, elegant, and brutalist. Okay, this type of design they actually made in this website with Tailwind CSS. You can see the code in here. So yeah, it's tiny, never ship unused CSS again. Like Tailwind CSS actually use JIT compiler, so just in time compiler. uh, when you run any website, or when you search for any website which is actually built in Tailwind CSS, what it actually do, the runtime or the loading time is super fast for the just-in-time compiler. And those when you visit homepage, only the homepage CSS actually load. Okay, neither the another things will load on the website. Okay, that's why it make it so fast. Okay, and everything is responsive because Tailwind CSS usually first mobile version, or first mobile view in SM or tablet mode MD, then LG. After LG or Excel, the design actually changes after breakpoint, you see, right? So yeah, also they have hover effect. Okay, you can see. And also you can use React, Vue, Angular, Blade, etc. Okay, and yeah, they also have support and dark mode. Okay, we will learn dark mode as well. Okay, and yeah, so there are some colors with typography. Okay, okay, CSS grid, we will learn CSS grid, CSS flex, transform, filter, etc. in this channel. Okay, and they have also ID integration. Tailwind CSS, it's called Tailwind CSS integration or something like that. I actually forget that. It will help you to build like this. Okay, so yeah, so let's go to the official document. Okay, get started. So yeah, they have the installation process in here. You can either install Tailwind CSS CLI, okay, by using npm install the development Tailwind CSS, then init, then this kind of things you need to do. Or you can use post CSS as well. Okay, and also you can use framework like Next.js, Laravel, White, Solid JS, etc. And also you can play with CDN. Okay, so in this tutorial we actually use Tailwind CSS playground. If I click here, you can see you can code in this playground. It also have the basic Tailwind CSS base components and utilities, also the config file here. You can also config your file from here and run the code from here. Okay, so yeah, so this is the actually the overview of the of our Tailwind CSS website. And yeah, in the next slide, or in the next video, we will learn the basic. Okay, so that's for today. I will catch you in the next one.